Hi guys, this is a computer science course for beginners. Let's start with our real life example. In real life, we have different languages um, like English, Spanish, French, Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi, Arabic, etc. Similarly, in computer world, we have languages like Java, very famous, C Sharp, developed by Microsoft, C, C++, COBOL, PHP, Perl, Python, etc. In real life, let's say one person who speaks English, another person who speaks French, they try to communicate. But I think what will be the solution to make an understandable communication? Because English speaking and French speaking, they cannot communicate. They don't understand each other. Um, the solution is interpreter or translator who can listens one person and transform or process or convert in a way that the other person can understand. The important part is a translator or interpreter. We might not worry about the process he or she is doing it. The important part is interpreter. Let's jump to the computer world. Similarly, when we give some instruction to computer perform as using one of the computer language and give us the result. But we need the interpreter of that language. Like Java, it have Java C, C Sharp, CSC, C Sharp compiler. So computer store everything in zeros and one combinations, and it have no idea what is the Java language or C Sharp or Python or any other language. So what we make that compiler that compiles in a way that the computer can understand. Okay, so 0 and 1 combination, as I said earlier. Why we need a compiler for each language? As I said earlier, 0 and 1 combinations. How? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, or ABC, or any special characters, they are all stored in 0 and 1 combinations. An example, the 11, the integer 11, is stored as 1101. So there are 8 digits, which is 8 bits. Computer stored in 8 bits initially. Later on there was 16-bit, 32-bit, and so forth, so on. Let's make it simple. 8 bits, 8 digits. Each digit is represent 1 bit. So altogether 8 bits, which represent 1 byte. So the number 11 is stored in 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. How? If you look at the formula, where n x represent the multiplication, a b c d, and n represent the remainders, and base 2 is the denoted by n. So we'll see that right now. So let's say number 11. So base 2 denoted by n, as I said earlier. So number 2, when we divide 11 with base 2, which is number 2, so 5 multiplied 2, we get a remainder 1. 5 multiplied 2, 10. So our number is 11, so remainder is 1. Okay, then we divide further 5 to 2. So 2 multiplied 2, 4, remainder 1 again. Further 2 multiplied by 2, which is 1, and remainder is 0. So we got 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So 1, 1, 0, 1. So if you look at the formula, so as I said, n is represented by 2. So n power 0, n power 1, n power 2, n power 3, and so on. In this case, we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 4 digits. So 2 power 0, first one, 2 power 1, Second one, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. When we simplify it, we get this as 2 raised power 0 is always 1. Anything raised power 0 is 1. So we multiply this and we simplify it, and we get number 11. So computer stores in 00001011. So I was saying earlier 8 bits, 1 byte. Okay. And then 1024 bytes, 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte, 1 megabyte, and 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 GB. That's where we have our hardware and storage as GB. We'll start running on C Sharp, and we'll dig into further how we communicate using C language and using the C Sharp compiler, how we communicate, how the interpreter convert our instructions given in C language and communicate with the computer, and computer responses back. I will also create another video where we learn more about the base 2, base 8, base 16 hexadecimal numbers. Have a good day.